Today I want to upload about this Canon Typewriter Type Star 5 which my mom gave me the amount of 200 something to buy. 249 was it, back in 1986, 13 years ago. This charger, which belongs to it, I don't know why it cannot plug in to be used anymore. And then from what I know, this Canon ribbon, it's made in Korea. Huh? This Canon ribbon is made in Korea. I don't think they are in manufacture anymore, right? This is Canon Type Star 5 S50. Let's look at the back. S50. I don't know why that charger. Okay, this is the only typewriter I have bought since Sec 2 for all my school projects with my Singapore Crescent Girls Secondary School 30 years ago. Then there is also the video cassette tape, a recorder, which is in the storeroom, but I think I will upload again another day. Okay, thank you.